Here we have another inverse problem. We have our function f of x equals 2x plus 3, and our task is to evaluate f inverse of 11. Okay, and so our first mission is to figure out what f inverse of 11 means. So that's typically the hardest part of this problem. So what does that mean? That means find x such that f of x equals 11. Okay, we have to know that much to be able to do this problem. Okay, so that is, we want to set our output y to 11. So f of x, there's f of x, set it equal to 11, equals 2x plus 3. Okay, subtract 3 from both sides and we get 8 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2 and we get x equals 4. Okay, so let's check that f of 4 equals 2 times 4 plus 3. That's 8 plus 3 is 11. So equals 11. And we are fine. And we will come back and do that another way here in just a second. So let's look at this second problem. Here f of x equals 2x plus 3. And we want to find a formula for f inverse of y. And that's actually what I probably would have done for the first problem initially, was found the formula and then plugged in y. So let's find the formula. So to find f inverse of y, we set our f of x equal to y. And now solve for x. Okay, so we get y minus 3, subtracting 3 from both sides, equals 2x. Okay, now dividing both sides by 2, and we get that x equals y minus 3 over 2, and that's our inverse function. That is f inverse of y equals y minus 3 over 2. Okay, again, as in the last problem we said on the previous video, you're perfectly fine saying f inverse of x equals x minus 3 over 2, or f inverse of z equals z minus 3 over 2. Doesn't matter, again, as long as that variable and that variable match up. Again, let me say the wrong answer here because I see these a lot. Here's the wrong answer, is f inverse of x equals y minus 3 over 2. That is an incorrect answer that I see often. This variable doesn't match that variable. They have to match. Okay, so we have our inverse function here, f inverse of y equals y minus 3 over 2. Now let's go back to that first problem. So we had, let me clear me off some space here. So we have f inverse of y equals, what was it? Y minus 3 over 2. Okay, so now let's straightforward find inverse of 11, f inverse of 11. So f inverse of 11 is equal to 11 minus 3 over 2, and so f inverse of 11 equals 8 over 2, and f inverse of 11 equals 4. Okay, so again, x equals 4, x equals 4 over here. Okay, and that's going to conclude this video.